Want to fix Xbox error code 0x80a4001a? This video will show you the simple tricks to get back online. Let's dive in. First things first, error code 0x80a4001a usually means there's a problem signing into Xbox Live, often related to network issues, a temporary service outage, or corrupted profile data. Now, the easiest fix is to restart your Xbox console. Hold the Xbox button on your controller until the power center appears. Then select Restart Console. A full power cycle, unplugging for 60 seconds, can also help. Next, check the Xbox Live service status. Visit support.xbox.com/Xbox Live status or the Xbox Support Twitter X. If there's an ongoing outage, you'll simply have to wait for Microsoft to resolve it. You'll also want to check your internet connection. Ensure your Xbox has a strong and stable connection. Go to Settings, greater than Network. Settings, greater than Test Network Connection. Try restarting your router and modem. Try removing your Xbox profile from the console and then re-adding it. Go to Settings, greater than Account. Greater than Remove Accounts. Select your profile, then Remove. After it's removed, restart the console and then Add New to sign back in. This often fixes corrupted profile data. Finally, if you're using a VPN or proxy on your network, try disabling it. These can sometimes interfere with Xbox Live connectivity. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more Xbox tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.